If the on-off trigger switch on your FEMI 782, 782 XLH, or ABS 105 utility saw breaks, it is an easy process to replace it. Begin by disconnecting the electrical power to the saw before proceeding with any work. Once the power has been disconnected, remove the two screws on the side of the handle that fasten the two halves of the handle together. Each handle half is available separately. By gently moving the loosened handle half by hand, after the screws are loosened, the screws will be easy enough to remove with your fingers. Remove the loose handle half and set the screws and handle half off to the side. Gently remove the trigger switch from the fixed handle half. Note that there are two wire leads connected to the trigger switch. One wire is held on with a small slotted lockdown screw. The other is held on with a pressure clip. Note which connection each wire is connected to. Loosen the lockdown screw slightly and gently pull the wire lead out of the connection. Turn the switch around to remove the other wire lead, which is held in the connection with a fixed clip. Use a small pointed tool to press the brass clip and gently pull the wire out of the clip receptacle. Be sure to note which connection the wire was removed from. Connect the wires to their proper connection points on the new switch, one by inserting and tightening the lockdown screw, and the other by pressing the wire into the clip receptacle, testing it afterwards with a slight pull to be sure it is held tightly. Insert the new trigger switch into the fixed side of the handle, being careful not to pinch either of the two wires. Install the handle half, being sure it is aligned with the fixed half of the handle. Install the two screws that hold the two handle halves together. Reconnect the power to the saw. Turn the power switch to on and test the trigger switch several times to verify it is functioning properly with the saw arm in the up and down position. If there is still a problem with the switch, check that the wire connections are tight. If the problem is still not resolved and the electric power to the saw is verified, contact your HE&M utility saw representative.